Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It is Sunday, so if you don't know what that means it is time for my weekly weigh-in. Alright, so this week has been a week. Before I get into that, I am wearing a hat. I'm having a bad hair day. So, yes, even hairstylists have bad hair days. Actually, looking at several of my videos lately, my hair has been kind of messed up. So, I put on a hat. But it's a lovely hat. Get it? It says love. Yeah? No? Okay. I thought it was funny. But anyway, so I wanted to point that out. And second, I wanted to share something with you guys. I got a card in the mail from Kim Bedgood. You've probably seen her in the Facebook group, seen her comment on the videos. And she sent me a Christmas card. It was really, really sweet. So first of all, this is really, really pretty. And second, I'm going to read it. I don't know if she wanted me to read it on here, but, you know. She just simply said, "Wishing you the best Christmas ever. Thank you for sharing your journey with me. Love, Kim." And that meant a lot to me. That touched me. Like, I put my, story out here. I share with you guys a lot of stuff, maybe a little too much sometimes, but that means the world to me, knowing that you guys care, knowing that you guys are there. It helps keep me accountable because, believe me, like, sometimes it's kind of hard to be like, all right, I'm going to just share my journey with a bunch of people on the internet. And it sounds a little weird, and sometimes I'm like, am I crazy for doing it? But knowing that you guys are there, when you guys comment on the videos, when you guys interact on the Facebook group, it reminds me of why I'm doing this. Like, one, you guys help me so much. You guys inspire me so much. I have some amazing people that are watching right now and that are interacting in the Facebook group, and it helps me stay focused. So I just want to thank each and every one of you. You mean the world to me. And you guys say that I help you. So that's awesome. That's a cool side benefit, because honestly, this is mainly about me. But if I can help you guys, that is fantastic. That is wonderful. And that is what I ideally will hope to do, as well as keeping me on track. So yeah, sorry, that topic got a little away from me. Anyway, so weigh-in numbers. I'm sure you guys are curious. I mean, obviously, that's why you're here on Weigh-In Video Sunday. So, boom. My starting weight, for those of you that do not know, I started at 376.8. And now, as of this morning, I am 332.6. So therefore, this week, I've lost 1.4 pounds for a total of 44.2 pounds. I'm happy. I like that. In 28 weeks, 44 pounds. I think that's fantastic. Not gonna lie, totally thought, since I had such a big loss last week when I started the walking, that I figured another week of walking would be a huge loss. But 1.4 pounds is a pretty good loss. I'm very, very happy with that. Very happy. And speaking of that, I have stuck with my walking almost every day. I missed one day, and then I walked twice the next day. And then yesterday I did not walk, but again, I work in a salon, and Saturdays are our long days. I work 9 to 5, and we don't clock out for lunch breaks. We don't take 15-minute breaks. It is 9 to 5, nonstop, doing hair. I mean, with 2 hours left in the day, I had already hit 10,000 steps on my Fitbit. So I was exhausted. And then it was dark, and it was cold, and yeah, I didn't walk yesterday, but I walked every other day this week, and every day this week I hit blue dot on the WW app. I stayed within my points every single day, and except for Sunday, but Sundays I eat all of my weekly points and all of my daily points on Sunday. That way it feels like a cheat day or a treat day, and I can enjoy them and have those things that I would normally not eat throughout the week. And then, behave the rest of the week. Not that it's misbehaving, but you know what I mean. But yeah, so besides Sunday, every day was a blue dot day. It did definitely help that I've made those peanut butter cookies for 2 points per cookie, and that I end up making for that collab video the spaghetti squash pasta, because it's 0 points per serving. So that helped a lot, having those options in the house. I don't cook a ton. I like to cook. Just cooking's expensive, and I'm poor. So I don't cook a ton. But doing those things definitely helped a lot. All right, so mini goals. For those of you that are new, every week I put up mini goals. So the first goal right here is to get to 316.8. I picked that number because it's a 60-pound loss. Don't know why. I just like to set it in increments. The last one, I already hit. That was the 40-pound loss, so I just added 20 more to it to my next goal. So to get to that with me being at 332.6, that means I have 15.8 pounds to go. I'm well on my way. And the next one, Dragon Con. Again, lots of new people in the group. If you cannot tell by all of the stuff around me, I'm a big old nerd. And so there is this thing called Dragon Con, which is the world's largest fan-run convention. Basically, it is a Comic-Con, if you've heard of that. It is actors, voice actors, artists, authors, crafters, creators, all kinds of different things in basically the nerd world. Basically, if there's a fandom, it's being represented. This takes place in Atlanta, Georgia. There's like 5 hotels that it takes place in. There's a parade down the street. It is huge. And it's a lot of walking. It'll be a lot of energy being used to go to this. I am going next year, for the first time ever. I'm super excited, but I do want to get in shape for it so that I am not like winded all the time. So I set my goal at 263. That was just a number I picked because whenever I set it, it would be averaging 2 pounds off a week. I'm not putting a ton of pressure on it. If I hit it, cool. If not, cool. I mean, I hate goals that have time limits, but at least that's just something to keep me focused and be like, hey, yeah, I want to be able to handle this convention a lot easier. And so with that being 263 and where I'm at now, that means I have 69.6 pounds to go. And this takes place in Labor Day every year. So I haven't done the math of how many months that is to Labor Day, but I've got time to get there. So I'm excited. So yeah, so that is this week's weigh-in. I don't have a lot else to talk about right now. I have some stuff that I got to do today, and yeah. So with that, I'm going to leave it. If you haven't yet, please like, please comment, please subscribe if you're new, and hit the little notification bell so you'll know when I post videos, because as you guys saw this week, I will randomly be like, yeah, I'm doing this collab, boom, video up. And we never know when those are. So if you hit the bell, you'll always know. And if you haven't yet, please check out my Facebook group. It's in the description box down below. And I will talk to you guys Tuesday, probably. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. All right, bye.